Hey there, are you optimizing your website for voice search? If not, you're missing out on an incredible SEO tool for your business. Did you know that nearly one third of the US population has a smart speaker today? And by 2024, the number of voice enabled digital assistants will reach 8 billion. Plus, more than 50% of the people today use voice search in their daily lives to find answer to their queries. There are over 1 billion voice searches every month. Don't worry, in this video, Mehta will share 7 valuable tips to help you optimize your website content for voice search and stay ahead of the competition. Before we start, make sure you like and follow us for more tips and tricks like this. Tip number 1 is you need to use natural language. Using conversational language in your content for quick and easy answers will help your site show up in search engines. People tend to use more conversational phrases and longer search queries while using voice search. Tip number 2 is to ensure that you use structured snippets. Did you know that more than 40% of the voice search results are coming straight from featured snippets? So focus on creating structured snippets, and if you don't know much about it, talk to your developer or go on to Google and search what is a structured snippet. Tip number 3 is to ensure that your website is mobile friendly. Making sure your website is mobile friendly and it loads quickly is extremely essential. More and more people are using their mobile devices for voice search, so fast and mobile friendly website is crucial. Make sure the site is secured with HTTPS protocol. You need to ensure that you simply get a SSL certificate installed on your website. There are more chances of a secured site pulling up in a voice search than it's not. You also need to build your domain authority. A domain authority can be simply built by getting backlinks back to your domain. So with sites who have a lot of backlinks, social shares, and also has a good user experience, it will pull up in voice search more often than others. Fast loading speeds are essential. You have to make sure the website loads as fast as possible because speed is the key in user experience as well as voice search in this case. The last tip is you need to ensure that you have short answers to several questions that are relevant for the end user. Let's say you're writing content about website design in your website. You need to answer questions like what kind of content management system should I be using? How fast should my website be loading? Now, providing answers to these questions will help Google provide these answers in voice search to your end users. There you have it, 7 valuable tips for optimizing your website for voice search. Don't forget to check out a detailed blog that I've written on my website, which gives you even more tips and tricks and how to make your website compatible with voice search. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue creating content like this. Thanks for watching. Peace out.